This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Victoria Eberhardt. Step into this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, offering a thoughtful split floor plan with tile bathrooms, an updated tile shower in the primary suite, and a spacious kitchen perfect for entertaining. Vaulted ceilings and wood floors create a warm, inviting atmosphere, complemented by the cozy gas fireplace and a bright sunroom. Outside, the home sits on a 0.52-acre double lot with a fenced backyard, perfect for privacy and gardening enthusiasts. The dedicated garden area, designed to keep critters out, is supported by a rainwater storage system fed from the gutters, ideal for eco-friendly watering. The newly updated deck offers a perfect spot for outdoor relaxation. Located in Lake Tansy Village, residents can enjoy the community's amenities, including the 550-acre Lake Tansy for boating, fishing, and beach relaxation, a championship 18-hole golf course, and a newly renovated outdoor pool. The community is continuously improving, with a new indoor pool currently under construction in the upcoming community center, making this an ideal place to call home. The seller is moving to care for a family member with recent medical needs. A previous appraisal from the seller confirms the square footage is 1,748 square feet. For more information, review the details below or contact Victoria Eberhardt at 865-693-1111.